Welcome back to Beautyistic, the place where we make beauty easy, accessible, and fun. Today, we're checking out something that's going to save you a ton of time without sacrificing the look of a salon-quality manicure. If you're tired of the hassle of nail polish, drying time, and chips after a few days, stay tuned. I've got the imPRESS color polish-free solid color press-on nails in front of me, and trust me, these are designed to change the game. These are press-on nails, but not just any press-on nails. Kiss has introduced their imPRESS color nails with PureFit Technology, which promises a super slim, ultra-comfortable fit, making it easier than ever to achieve that sleek gel manicure look from home, without any polish or drying time. They come in a short length, and today, I'm reviewing the shade Ready or Not. The box includes everything you need for a perfect application: 30 fake nails, a prep pad, a mini nail file, and a cuticle stick. Now, let's talk about what makes these press-ons stand out. First off, the imPRESS color nails come with super hold adhesive, meaning these nails stay in place much longer than the average press-on. I've tested them out for several days, and I've been impressed with how they really stick. No lifting, no peeling, and absolutely no chips. Plus, they're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged if you're washing your hands or doing dishes. And because they're made with that PureFit technology, they're super comfortable, which is a huge bonus for anyone who has ever felt like press-on nails were a little too bulky or didn't fit right. In terms of ease of application, these are really a breeze. There's no need for messy glue or complicated steps. Simply prep your nails with the included pad, file them down to smooth out any rough spots, and then press on the nails. It's really that simple. The nails fit perfectly and comfortably on my natural nails, and I didn't need to make any adjustments once they were on. The adhesive holds strong but is also surprisingly gentle when you're ready to take them off, making them super easy to remove without damaging your natural nails. What's great about these nails is that they really do have a salon-quality finish. No one would guess they're press-ons. The color Ready or Not is a rich, deep red that's perfect for any occasion, and the matte finish adds an extra touch of sophistication. Plus, the best part? No drying time. You don't have to worry about smudging or waiting around for polish to set. You can go straight into your day with perfect nails. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, these nails are incredibly easy to apply. They look like a salon manicure and they stay put. Plus, no polish required. I love that they're chip-proof and waterproof, making them great for everyday use. The comfort fit is a big win for me, and the adhesive is strong without being harsh on my natural nails. On the downside, the only potential drawback I see is that, depending on the size of your nails, you might not find a perfect match. While the kit comes with 30 nails in various sizes, not everyone's nails will fit precisely, and there's no way to trim them down to fit if needed. But if you find a good fit, the results are pretty stellar. When it comes to value for money, these nails are priced fairly for what you're getting, especially when you compare them to the cost of a gel manicure at a salon. These press-on nails are an excellent alternative for those who want a professional look without the price tag or time commitment. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are other press-on nails on the market, but in my opinion, none have the same quality, adhesive, and comfort fit that imPRESS offers. For a similar experience, you could try some of their other imPRESS designs, or brands like Dashing Diva offer press-ons with good adhesion, but I would say the imPRESS nails are a step up in comfort and wearability. As for durability, I've been wearing these nails for about a week now, and they're still going strong. The adhesive has held up beautifully, and I haven't noticed any peeling or lifting. The nails themselves are sturdy but flexible, so they don't feel fragile. I also want to quickly touch on customer support. Although I didn't need to reach out, Kiss has a strong reputation for responsive service. If there's an issue with your nails, or if you need help with sizing, they're pretty reliable when it comes to resolving customer concerns. In conclusion, these imPRESS color press-on nails with PureFit technology are a solid option for anyone who's looking for a quick, easy, and reliable way to get a polished look without spending hours at the salon. They're comfortable, they stay put, and they're perfect for a DIY manicure at home. If you want something that's easy to apply, looks great, and doesn't break the bank, these are a great choice. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase in the description box. Have you tried these nails? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.